Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I'd like to invite you to pay attention to the topmost part of this Bugis traditional house. At first glance, it might look like a ordinary roof structure, but in Bugis culture, no part of the house is built without meaning. This part is called Timpa Laja. Timpa Laja in Bugis culture, it's more than just a roof covering, it's a crown that holds the secret of who lives within it. Let's explore its meaning with an open heart. Imagine an offi- of officer's uniform or a queen ghost. Have you ever felt a sense of authority just by seeing the rank insignia on someone's shoulder or the crown on their head? Even before they uttered a single word, we all have ways of showing who we are to the world, perhaps through the make of the facial we drive, the number of followers on social media, or the title on our business cards. We want the world to know our position without us having a thought. Up there, those tirade weekend plans are the business card of this home's owner. It is a silent message displayed at the highest point so that the entire village can read it from a distance. Let's reveal the secret behind the layout of the board. Intellectually, the number of levels in Timpa Laja is an indicator of social status or caste degree. If you see five or more structure in it is the residence of high nobility or king's arum. If there are three roads, it belongs to middle architecture of traditional figures, and if three are only one and two for its a house or ordinary people or independent people. However, the expression goes deeper than just number. Emotionally, Timpa Laja is a symbol of Siri. It is placed at the very top under the sky because honor is the highest that must be maintained by the Bugis people. The more numerous the structure, the heavier the moral burden on of the owner to be a protector for the people under him. It is not just a decoration, but a reminder that the higher your position, the greater the weight of responsibility that blow. Now, let me stir your thought and feelings even more deeply. Look at the wooden structure once again. In the ancient times, someone called face several customary suggestion if they dared to install a structure that did like with the trail lineage. The law was strict and the boundaries were clear. However, let's reflect in today's more modern world. We are often busy assembling our social structure as high as possible in the eyes of others through luxury and image. When we may not have the heredity of values and integrity to match what the display are, we building a false Timpa Laja in our lives. If today those plans were replaced with mirror reflecting your daily behavior, how many levels will you be worth of placing up there? Will you be more proud of the numbers of levels? Or of the strike of the pillars, the super it so it does collapse during a storm. Does your current status make you feel more noble? Or does it build to become a better person? Consolation. Timpa Laja teach us that honor should be displayed honestly, not forced. He stand at the summit not to bust the to tear, but to remit its inhabitants to always look to the heavens. Thank you for attention and see you next video.